Uh-huh. Ice Cube, come on down. You can be my ally. Thanks for making it. Pencil would bump me into her, man. Then I choose Pencil. Okay, then. Who should I choose? Ice Cube? I don't know. It's up to you. Okay, then I'll choose TD. The silent type, right? What? Don't you, not talk? Tianjia must be stupid. She doesn't even know how to talk yet. Lower. Be noise. Snowball, you're strong. Gear up. What? You won't? What a wimp. That flower is starting to really get on my nerves. Oh, flower. I'll do it. I'll beat her up. Uh-oh. No way. Not again. No, Blackie.
Okay, Pin's turn.
Say Bubble. Bubble. Yeah. How about Needle? Okay. Needle. Since Match is in our alliance, we choose her. Yeah, they remembered.
Come on, people. Pick a boy.
How about Snowball? Ooh, they're in love. No, Blackie, I like Coiny more. Boo. Hey, did you just say that? I didn't mean to. Pen guy? Yeah, okay, Pen. Settle down. Now it's time to pick someone else. Why don't we pick Coiny since Needle likes him more? Look, I'm sorry. Is it really that big of a deal? Fiery, get over here. Hey, I think after that makes you the leader of the group. Yeah, man, you made a good choice. Yeah, right. As if. Okay, who's next? There's always TB. He's smart.
Back to Prince team.
Well, gee, I don't know.
Come on, Pin. Choose.
I don't know. They're all pretty bad. First of all, I wouldn't choose Flower for obvious reasons. Eraser thinks he's too cool to do anything. Blocky, no way. He's got issues. Spongy is so fat and smelly. Golf Ball, too bossy. Speak to yourself, Pin. Shush. Rocky, seriously? He has no arms. And Woody is scared of everything. Charlotte, Liar, Mallet, and even Fumble.
Choban, call it Benny.
Eraser is the least horrible, I guess. We choose Golf Ball. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boggy, our friend. Oh, really? Yeah. See, you know how Flower gets angry at everyone? I don't like where this is going, but yeah. Well, if the other team gets her, she'll become more of an enemy, right? Yeah, so it would just be common sense to choose her for our team. Oh, seriously? Yeah, I agree. See? I knew TV and GB had a crush on each other. TV, GB sitting in a tree. KISSING. Shut it, Carney. I only like tennis ball in a platonic way.
Back to Prince team.
Well, we definitely don't want to pick Spongy. What was that for? 1, 2. Oh, sorry, Woody. I just rocked you. Oh no! Oh!
Okay, teams are settled then. Now, teams, choose your team name. Come on, just choose. Okay, then, I'll choose. Pin's team, you'll be called the Squishy Cherries. And Leafy's team, you are the Squashy Grapes. The first contest is to build a boat, get in it, and row it across the Boyki Canal. If you are the first to cross the line, your team wins. The other team loses, and one of their members gets kicked out of the game.
I have a brain. I'm waiting for you stuff from the pile of junk. Okay, are you even listening to me? Hey, of course not. We're not using your plan. It's too confusing to work. I don't care what you say, I'm still trying. I could push you off if I wanted to. Yeah, lying. No one do that. Your tiny, tiny little brain would allow standard. Oh! Be more careful. Pretty foxy, but okay. Yeah, I'm waiting for that yacht. Yeah, these are our oars too. I'm an oar. Let's get in. Motoril wages. Oh, well, your yacht is drifting away. Not gonna jump onto it. I feel bad. Well, oh well, I'm starting the motor. Oh. Ooh, don't keep me underwater for 30 seconds. Stop. No. Huh? Yeah, stay there. We need a plug. Huh? Oh! I see him, Leafy. Hate to break it to you, but we just passed right by the finish line. We'll go! I'll try! What? Oh, this is just great. There's too much weight on this sinking boat. We have to throw someone overboard. Whoa. Whoa. Huh? Guys, the finish is just 20 or so yards away. We can swim there, but I can't swim. Come on, Match. Come swim with us. I can't. I have no energy left. Hey, I hear voice. Hey, it's Tismal Snow on you on Rockin' Teardrop. Awful thing I'm smudging. People, the other team is also getting close. Whoa, win! No! Luro! Wow! Oh!
And Pin's team, the Squishy Cherries, win, which means one of the Squashy Grapes is going home. It's time for you viewers out there to decide. Here are the people on the Squashy Grapes team: Needle, Rocky, Teardrop, Leafy, Flower, and Golf Ball, Queenie, Snowball, Ice Cube, and Tennis Ball. Who will leave first on BFDI? I don't know, but it's up to you guys to decide.
We'll go backward.